In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resubscribe contacts in Mailchimp. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where a contact has unsubscribed or was accidentally removed from your mailing list, knowing how to resubscribe them is essential. Let's make this process as smooth as possible by breaking it down step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to Mailchimp and log into your account. Once you're inside, head over to the Audience tab. This is the section where all your contacts are stored, and it's essentially the backbone of your email campaigns. Within the Audience tab, you'll need to select All Contacts. This will bring up a comprehensive list of everyone who has interacted with your mailing list, whether they are currently subscribed, unsubscribed, or have had any other status. Once you have the list in front of you, look for the contact you want to resubscribe. You can do this by scrolling through manually, or if you have a large database, just use the search function in the upper right-hand corner to quickly locate the specific contact. After you've found the contact, check the box next to their name. This action tells Mailchimp that you want to perform a task for this particular contact. Next, you'll see an Actions drop-down menu above your list of contacts. Go ahead and click on that. It's important to navigate carefully here because this drop-down contains various options for managing your contacts. From the available options, select Resubscribe. This indicates that you wish to add this person back to your active mailing list. Now, resubscribing isn't something that happens just with one click. To ensure that you really mean to resubscribe this contact and to double check that there are no errors, Mailchimp will present you with a confirmation pop-up. This step acts as a safety measure to prevent users from accidentally altering a contact's subscription status without intending to. So take a moment to verify your choice and then click Confirm in the pop-up. And there you have it. That contact is now successfully resubscribed to your mailing list, ready to receive all your future newsletters or promotional emails. It's always a good practice to send a welcome email or a notification after resubscribing a contact to let them know what they can expect now that they are back on your list. Remember, ensuring that your contacts are up to date is crucial for maintaining effective communication and making sure your campaigns reach the right people. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made the process of resubscribing contacts in Mailchimp clear and straightforward for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Mailchimp efficiently. Happy emailing!